Okay, fourth graders, today we're going to be looking at this text, The History of Radio. And when we listen to the story, I would like you to compare this story to the story that we were kind of looking into last week, The Invasion from Mars. And then we're going to be digging into these two stories deeper and seeing how these two stories are similar. All right, so let's give a listen.
Lesson 6. Informational text. Genre. Informational text, such as this article, gives information about a topic. The information can be organized under headings. Informational text often includes photographs. Text focus. Historical text is a kind of informational text that tells about a topic in history. It is usually told in sequential order with dates as well as transitional words to help readers keep track of events. Historical text often includes a timeline that shows a series of events. What does the timeline in this article show? The History of Radio by Vivian Fernandez. The beginning of radio. We can't see them, but radio waves are all around us. In the late 1800s, Guglielmo Marconi used radio waves to send and receive a signal through the air. At first, the signal only went short distances. Marconi kept working, and soon he was sending signals over several miles. By the early 1900s, people were using radio technology to send and receive messages across oceans. However, these messages were not voices. They had to be sent in Morse code. Then, on December 24, 1906, Reginald Fessenden made the first transmission of speech and music. He had found a way to change the sounds of voices and music into a signal that could be carried by radio waves. Radios in the home. By the 1920s, more and more people had radios at home. Families listened to the radio like we watch television. Many listened to music, but soon radio stations came up with different kinds of programs, which were often broadcast live. Families could listen to the radio to hear music, comedies, and stories. One show was maybe too exciting. On October 30th, 1938, Orson Welles presented The War of the Worlds. Millions of people listened to the radio show about an alien attack, and some believed that what they heard was real. Another kind of radio drama told stories about families.